everybody, how's it going? Today we are headed to Squeaky's car wash again. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that back when we went there, I forget when it was, that we visited a Futura Impulse machine, and in the next bay there used to be one, but now there is a DNS IQ. So we're gonna go ahead and get off here and check it out. And hopefully clean up the mess that this car has, because it's been a while since it was washed. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, here we are, and here's the new DNS IQ soft touch machine. As you can see in there, Bellinger signage. It also has Bellinger signage on the Futura Impulse in that bay. And here's our portal machine. So we got the silver for 8, platinum for 11, and the works for 16. I don't remember it being this expensive, but oh, what are you gonna do? So we are going to go for the, oops, I'm too far away. Let me get off my seat. You're gonna get the 16. And it doesn't look like there's voice on this thing, which is interesting. Let me get my credit card situated. Let's hope this works this time, because last time debit cards got me broken.
Please add additional payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Did it give me a receipt? No, it did not. I get the idea. Okay, let's see what this is. There's a person next to me getting something on the... what is this thing I'm driving on? There we go. As you know, I am very skilled when it comes to driving into car washes, holding a camera in my left hand. Okay, I get the idea, DNS. Let me go ahead and open up the sunroof. Basically, all I want to remove is this. And being the fact that we had a pretty nasty rainstorm the other day, it was a severe thunderstorm, I'm pretty sure it makes sense. So we are starting out with our pre-soak here. By the way, unfortunately, I am going to have to leave the car on because of the fact that got tri-foam, because of the fact that it's very hot. So yeah. All right, so we are now starting with the soft touch cycle now. The front brush is not doing anything. Oh, there we go. Or not. Smells pretty sweet. I didn't. I believe that brush is gonna come back and do the rest, or not. Apparently not. It's still going up there. So we got our clear coat going on. By the way, sorry for the shakiness. My camera has been acting kind of funny. It's not really keeping a steady image. And it's also because I'm holding it with one hand and my hands are very heavy. So we got surface protecting. Interesting. Okay, there is another soft touch cycle. Good. There's the top brush coming down, and pretty soon it will be caking on. Side brushes are going as well. It smells like watermelon. There's somebody behind me. This is a pretty popular place. That was not a nice noise. And I think that's it for the soft touch cycle. So now that brush is going to come up, and we are now going to be given our spot-free rinse right now, which is given rather fast. And we are on our way out. So we got Bellinger dryers out here, I think. And we got 46 seconds here. Why is this still moving? So it is up there. A little sparse, but that's mainly because I went outside. And what is that hap? Okay. 20 seconds. And I'm stuck. There we go. Well, that was a pretty nice wash. So, I hope you guys enjoyed our return to the Squeaky's car wash after a few months of inactivity on car washes. And that is it. I'm now on my way back to my house.